Welcome in a universe community. My name is Sanchita Pandey and it is always beautiful to meet you. Here I am with another topic for you. Our topic for today is stay aligned. In yesterday's video, we discussed about how we can stay aligned and how can we take care of our vibrations, because everything you want to attract in your life is because of this language of vibrations which the universe understands. The thing is, when you are on your own, your vibrations are high because now you know how to stay aligned. Now you know what to do to keep your vibrations high. Just read good books and choose what you watch on the internet. Choose who you are with, quality of friends, lot of things, and be satisfied, peaceful. This you know. What happens is, the real test arises when you have to interact, when you have to go out into the world. Now you meet different kinds of people. Some are happy, some are, irritated, some are argumentative, some want to control you. So now how do you stay aligned? So this is our topic for today. Our topic for today is stay aligned under all circumstances, because you have to take care of your vibrations. You have to keep vibrating high so that you make your manifestations come true. I remember when my daughters were very small, one phone call, and this is something they told me. After this phone call, you start scolding us. So just imagine why did it happen? Because certain kind of quality of conversation must be taking place on the phone, which later left me irritated and not very happy and comfortable. So you see, the thing is, we are not aware of our emotions, of our feelings. We keep tolerating people, conversations, places. So be aware. Do not go to places where you are not celebrated, welcomed, and only tolerated. So this we have not been taught in schools. So our awareness about our feelings is very, very scarce. We just don't understand the language of vibrations. But as you become more aware of how you're feeling with someone, how you feel at some place, then you will understand gradually that yes, if you're feeling good, this is good. Now, if you're not feeling good, it is time to move out from that place. I have been to places where I have been disrespected. Time and again, I have gone to people and places where I have been disrespected because I had no idea. It is like after a month, I'll forget about it. And then you go back to the same place, same people. So that is the thing, because we have no idea, we have no awareness. The same conversations you keep doing, you keep arguing, thinking of winning an argument. Nobody wins in an argument. And even if you think you have won in an argument, you are ultimately losing out. You see, your money is not the ultimate asset that you have. No finances, nothing can compete with the ultimate asset that you have, your time. Your purpose in life and your energy. Time, purpose and energy. So as you get entangled in this web of negativity, you have to realize most people do not even know their purpose in life because of lack of self-knowledge. Now that you are more aware and you have this self-knowledge, you just know which path to follow, you know your purpose in life, then you have to keep aligned with your own purpose instead of getting entangled in any kind of negativity. As a child, if a family member intimidated me just like that, I used to retaliate using words, of course, only words. And my mother used to say, you don't do this, because she knew I used to keep busy doing, most of the time I was doing things I love to do. And I was like, why? I'm not weak. Why will I not speak out? Why will I not speak out what I really mean to say? I must fight for myself. But after so many years of going wrong and going right also many times, I have realized, one, you cannot teach anybody else using your words. Words cannot teach, because two people are at a different level of consciousness. What you are speaking is just, they are not comprehending what you are speaking. Just like I was not understanding as a child what my mother said. Be at peace and don't speak back. Why? I am not weak. So that is the thing. And you feel you are absolutely right, because you must stand up for yourself. But the thing is, you are wasting your time and energy. Everybody doesn't deserve your explanation, because any kind of explanation will not satisfy them, because they are already biased. They have made up their mind for something. So the more you explain, the more arguments will take place. So in short, words can never teach. Another thing is that if you are uncomfortable with a person or in a certain place, please move out from there. That place is not for you, because your intuitive intelligence will tell you, your body will start behaving in a certain way. You'll feel uncomfortable. So if you are aware of how you're feeling, why am I uncomfortable? I find it uncomfortable to sit here. So now you understand that place, that person is not meant for you. It is not about they are bad people or you are good. It is not about good and bad. It is just that you do not vibe. That's it. They are good, you are good. The vibrations do not match. So because of that, you are absorbing certain kind of energy which is making you uncomfortable. So better go away from there, move out from there. Don't get entangled in useless petty arguments. They are not for you. Be aligned with your own purpose in life, so that all the energy is utilized for your purpose to go into one direction, and you go forward, move forward in that direction, instead of whiling away your time and dissipating your precious life energy in petty arguments. Though you may think you have won the argument, you are actually losing over time. So be very careful, be aware of where you are putting your precious energy. Don't lower your vibrations, come what may. That is what is meant by alignment. So stay aligned. Don't try to win. Sometimes just lose, because it saves your energy, time, and you stay aligned with your purpose. Also, there are some people who want to control you, or who keep challenging you for something. Now again, your first reaction is to retaliate. Don't do that. Keep silent. Silence is the best language, because that helps you to conserve your energy. You have to understand that, you see, if you are happy and somebody steps on your foot, will you shout at that person? No. Oh, you hurt my foot, it's okay. Oh, no, nothing. It's fine. You'll still smile, because you are happy within. Now, why is somebody trying to control you, stop you, scold you, get into arguments? Because they are hurt. They are unhappy. Something inside them is not quite fine. So now you should have some compassion towards them. Now, it is not your job to heal them, but at least you can be compassionate and kind towards them by not igniting the fire within them. Now, if you also start fighting, trying to win the argument, then you see what will happen. Both sides lose. So the thing is, sometimes just be silent, because you show compassion for the other person who is already hurt. That is kindness on your part. So in short, what do we take from this video? My take now, after years of wrong and right, is that when my answer is no, zip your mouth, because it saves your time, energy, and you have more alignment with who you truly are. The thing is, you are a silent person, you are a peaceful person, loving person, happy person, smiling person. All of a sudden, what happens? If you just get entangled into this web of negativity, you'll become somebody else, absolutely a different personality. You won't recognize these are your words, this is your behavior. So the best part is that train your mind beforehand. Whenever the answer is a no, zip your mouth, keep quiet, do whatever you decide to do. You can hear everybody, whatever everybody says, but then the ultimate decision should be yours, and you do not have to announce a decision beforehand. Don't do that. Just do what your own inner intelligence, intuitive intelligence says. It is your life. You are writing your own story. You are the protagonist of your story. Make a change anytime and let that change be for the better and for the best. Keep going, keep moving forward, keep learning. Thank you so much, Inner Universe community. My message as always for you is I love you, you know that, and I send you my love and blessings. My prayers are always with you. I wish you what you wish for yourself. May all your dreams and desires come true. Thank you so much for joining me here. Namaste.